Okay, so I got this gun rack from Vevor in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. And before we had this, our closet to hold all of our gear was an absolute mess. Between the kids' book bags and the equipment and the gear, it was just a mess. So I was super excited to get this, and it has been a complete game changer for organizing everything. It holds up to 6 items and supports up to 180 pounds, so we decided to elevate ours. So whether you've got heavy duty equipment or lighter pieces, this rack's got you covered. The hooks are coated with a soft, durable rubber, so you don't have to worry about scratching anything. Everything stays stable, protected, and in great condition. Installation was super easy, 3 easy steps, and it was up. My husband was done. The stainless steel screws even come with washers to keep everything snug and secure no matter what type of wall you're working with. And one thing we love is how versatile it is. You can mount it in your garage, your office, your hunting cabin, or even a closet like us. It's sleek, durable, and blends in with any space. So whether you're organizing gear for display or storage, this rack keeps everything tidy and accessible. Plus, it's built to last with its heavy-duty steel construction, so we would definitely recommend it.